Hi friends, good morning. This is Srikanth. Today I will explain about Power BI Desktop Analytics. Okay, I'm already prepared this data and next to go to stacked bar chart. I'm select this stacked bar chart and click products and sales. Okay, and next go to y-axis and increase this y-axis text size. Okay, and next go to x-axis, increase this text x-axis text size, and next go to analytics and click this constant line and next click add. See this, now I want to add one constant line 500 place. Okay, type here 500. See this is automatically showing 500 place constant line. If you want to change this constant line color, click this drop down and select any color. See this is automatically showing that color. Decrease this transparency. See this, now if you want to change this line styles possible here, select solid or dashed and dotted. Okay, in position have two options. First one is behind, second one is in front. When you select this behind, it's automatically showing behind. When you select this in front, it automatically showing in front. Okay, and next to if you want to show in this place data label. If you want to change this data label color, possible here. Click this data label. See this, now automatically change the data label colors. Text, go to text, click this drop down. In this place showing name and value. When you click this name and value, see this, now automatically showing constant line one name and next one is value is 500. If you want to change this position, it's possible here. Click right, it's automatically showing right. Click left, it automatically showing left. If you want to change this vertical positions, when you select this under, see this automatically showing under. When you select this above, it's automatically showing above. Okay, display units. In this place have display units. When you click this drop down, it's automatically showing display units. None, thousands and millions and billions and trillions. When you click this thousand series, it's automatically showing thousands. I'm preferred to auto, it's better. Okay, this is Power BI Analytics